Okay, there's something you might have done, but you forgot how to do it. Okay, it's really easy. Mean, median, and mode. Here's what the mean stands for. The mean stands for the average of the numbers. Now, if you forgot how to find those, it's actually very easy. You add up all your numbers, so I'm going to show my work here. Then after they've been added, notice I said after they've been added, we divide the sum by 3 because there's 3 numbers. Okay. So what I do is I add them. 86 plus 90 plus 94. So I had 270. So I cross those out, put 270. And then we take 270 divided by 3. Okay, that's 90. So the average equals 90. You're finding the mean, so the mean equals 90. Okay, next one, that's 185. So you got 420, 185, and 874. So we add them up first. Always know your plan of attack, okay? You don't need algebra for this, okay? You don't need variables or letters. And then there's 3 numbers, so we're going to be dividing by 3. Okay, so 1,479. And then I take that 1,479 divided by 3. Okay, 493 would be the average. Okay. Okay, this one here, you got 4.2 plus 8.5 plus 2.6. There's 3 numbers, so we divide by 3. So 15.3. Then I divide 15.3 by 3. I got 5.1. So the mean is equal to 5.1. Okay, same thing here. So you got 15 plus 34 plus 19 plus 52. And there are 4 numbers, so this time we're going to be dividing by 4 this time because there's 4 numbers. So 15 plus 34 plus 19 plus 52. So 120. I take 120 divided by 4, and that gives me 30. Okay. So the mean here is 30. That is how you find the mean. It's based mean, it means the same thing as average. Okay, now here's how to find the median. Okay, the median is not the average. The median is the middle number. So you're like, well, what? I just look and pick 25? No, that's not how it goes. Here's what you do. You go round by round. Round 1, I cross out the highest and the lowest. Highest 25, lowest 7. Okay, that's round 1. Round 1 is complete. Now to round 2. As long as there's more than 2 numbers left, you go another round. Oh, sorry. I screwed that up. I'm such an idiot. Okay. Sorry. Round 1, the highest is 46. The lowest is 7. That's round 1. Round 2. The highest now is 25. The lowest is 8. Now I stop because I have 1 number and the median is 13. Okay. You stop crossing out when you have either 1 number left or 2 numbers left. So let's see if the idiot can get it right this time. 9, 12, 7, 24, 3, and 18. Round 1. High is 24, low is 3. Round 2. The high is 18, the low is 7. So how many I got left? I have 2 left. Okay, I stop. Okay, I stop when I either have 1 left or 2 left. Now when there are 2 left, here's what you have to do. You need to add 9 to 12 and then divide by 2 because you're adding 2 numbers. See here I got 1 in the end, so 21. Then I take 21 divided by 2, and that's 10.5. Okay, so 10.5 is my median. So if you end up with two numbers, what you're really finding is what's halfway in between the two numbers, which can be found by adding and dividing by 2. Okay, 1.3, 6.2, 8.9, 2.4, 5.6. So what's the highest? 8.9. What's the lowest? 1.4. That's round 1. Round 2, you got 3 numbers left, so you keep going. If you have more than 2, you keep going. Okay, highest is 6.2, lowest is 2.4. Now, how many do I have left? I just have 1 left, so that must be my answer. Okay. 2.3, 5.4, 0.7, 1.6, 4.6, 3.7. Okay, round 1, highest looks like 5.4, the lowest 0.7. That's round 1. Round 2, highest 4.6, lowest 1.6. How many numbers are left? There's 2, so we need to stop crossing out, okay? Because if you go another round, you're going to cross out all your numbers. So when I end up with 2, the way to go is to add them first, and then divide it by 2. So we add first. You got to add first here. So that's 6, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So 3 is my median. Okay, mode. Mode is very easy. You look at a number that appears most often. You got 1, 3, 5, 3, 6, 7, 8. Well, all of these appear only once on the list except for 3. So 3 is my mode. Okay, I've got 2.6, 3.5, 0.8, 4.7, 6.2, 0.8, 1.2. So 2.6, I have that anywhere else? No. 3.5, do I have that anywhere else? No. 0.8, yeah, I have 0.8, okay. 4.7, nope. 6.2, nope. And 1.2, nope. 0.8 is my mode. Now, if you get a problem where you have to find all 3 of them, okay, you want to find the mode first. So I have 3 numbers and they only appear once, so the mode is none, okay, because they all appear an equal number of times. After that, you want to find your mean, because that's the average. I add them all together and divide by how many there are, which is 3. But you got to add them all first, okay? 56 plus 78 plus 92 is 226. And then I divide 226 by 3, and I get 75.3 repeating, okay? So that is your mean. Now do your median last, okay? That's when you cross out the round by round. Round 1, what's the highest, what's the lowest? 78 or 92 is the highest, 56 the lowest. That's round 1. Now how many numbers I got left? Just 1, 78. That's the answer. Okay, and then on the back page, mode, most often you got 75, 93, 89, 75, 84. Well, 75 is on here twice, okay? So that's your mode. Let's go up and do the mean, because I want to save the median for last, because that's when I have to cross things out. So I go 75 plus 93 plus 89 plus 75 plus 84. And I divide by how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to divide by 5. Okay, I got 416. Then I divide 416 by 5. Okay. 83.2 is the mean. And the median again. Round 1. Highest 93. Lowest 75, but you only cross out one of the 75s. Okay. Next, there's 3 numbers left, so I keep going. I stop when there's either 1 or 2 left. Okay. Highest 89. Lowest is 75. Round 2. Now how many numbers are left? 1, so you're done. Remember, if there's 2, you stop crossing out, but then you have to add them and divide by 2.